Hey there, everybody. Gregg Johnson with the Entrepreneur Dad back for another video on LeadsLeap. Today's going to be a little bit shorter because this section is really easy to walk through, but it's very, very valuable. And so for the last couple of videos, we've been focused on traffic and advertising. And today we're actually going to take a look at the social review. And what this allows you to do is you actually have the ability to review any number of products that you want. And these will automatically go out on emails in a rotator for as a broadcast to share your experience, but it also sits within your platform or within your account that people can actually go in and see. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So first of all is you can go in here and add a new review. Very straightforward. It actually gives you some really good guidelines for the types of things that you want to recommend. It'll point people straight to the website, not an offer, but to the website where the opportunity that you want to talk about and recommend. And so, and then then you can point people to your affiliated link for that website. And then what I really like is it actually gives you some prompts for the type of things that you might want to talk about. Now, you do have to put some thought into this. We're looking for anywhere from 1,000 to around 3,000 characters right down here at the bottom. But it also will give you a great opportunity to verbalize, to articulate what has this experience been like for you with any type of platform, good or bad, to be able to point somebody back to. And the reason why I say that is once you get this completed and submitted, it will have to go through a review process, which is pretty easy. But once you have that, then you can have your own reviews that are all right here. And then you get to tell everybody what your top recommendation is. So in this case, Pariba is one of my top businesses that I promote. And the second business that I'm heavily involved in is something called Elevate Pass. There's a third one I'm really excited to share. So stay tuned probably in the next day or two, and I'll be able to share you about the future of gaming. It's really exciting and probably one of the most powerful platforms that I've come across. I'll do a review and be able to share that. I'll probably make it up into the top 1 or top 2 recommendations. Very, very excited. But here is where you can actually go in. And then in addition, I really like this part because now I can go in. Let's say that I'm considering a new opportunity. I can actually go in and read reviews of people within the LeadsLeap platform that have had experience with this. And this covers all kinds of categories, all types of products. So it's not just limited to if you're in cryptocurrency or if you're in internet marketing, building a downline or traffic. You can actually get into things like home improvement or drop shipping, traffic exchanges, health and fitness. You can see there's a pretty extensive list, but what's great is you can actually click on here and see what are the websites of people that have done these. And also, when was the last time that was updated? How many people have actually reviewed it? Are you going to listen to one person? It's almost like Amazon reviews, right? You want to be able to go in and see how was everybody else's experience, or if you like to do VRBO, go stay at a location. What was the service like? What was the cleanliness like? Same thing goes with this type of review. So really, really great stuff for you to be able to go in, get a little bit better take on what the opportunity is going to look like. Does it match up with what you're looking for in the type of opportunity that you're looking to pursue? Or is this what I call the shiny object syndrome? Is it something that looks really great, but is really going to be a distraction or maybe ends up being a waste of money? So anyway, that is it for today. So that is the social review. Make sure to stay tuned. I will update the future of gaming here in the next couple of days. and I will continue the series on LeadsLeap, so stay tuned for the next video. Thanks a lot.